Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually wasn't gonna unbox this on camera, but I'm already up here and it's actually kind of good, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. So this is the Boxycharm Premium for January. I just got it I think yesterday they dropped it off. So anyway, let's check it out. Okay, so first thing I got was this microfiber makeup removing cloth. Yeah, I always wondered, do these work? So I'm actually gonna use it and see, because I was like, does it have makeup in it, makeup remover in it? Like, I don't know why they call it makeup removing cloth. But yeah, so next thing I got is this Summer Fridays jet lag mask. I don't know what this is, just skincare, which you guys know I'm not that into skincare. Next thing I got was, as I say, not that much into skincare, clean jelly oil cleanser. So I never like pick my items, I just let them send me whatever. So I don't know who got what. I don't know what you could have picked. I have no clue. And then the next thing I got was this Ofra, and I saw, you guys know I'm doing the mystery makeup box series, and I saw an Ofra one and I was like, I don't like Ofra. It's boring. And I got this palette and I was like, I'll never use that. And then I saw the turquoise and I was like, well, let me swatch it and see. Y'all, let me show y'all this. I used to have this NYX palette that I made myself, because at NYX you can like make your own palette. Well, back in the day, I don't know if you still can now. So I was like, look at this. I was like, and it reminded me of the shade I had in the NYX palette. So then I go, only thing I wanted from Ofra was a highlighter. I was like, I don't like any of these shades. Let me show y'all this. I was like, look at that. Really? So cute. And I was like, oh damn, this is actually a nice palette. This is the pink shade. I was like, oh my god, wow, this is actually a nice palette. And I really was bitching, like, I'm never gonna use that. And I was not gonna get that Ofra box, because I was like, no. Ended up like, damn, this is actually kind of a nice palette. So yeah, I didn't get the Ofra mystery box, but I did get a couple things in my boxy. I actually have the Glam Light highlighter on underneath this, which it looks like it's toning that down a little bit, but I live for a rose gold moment. So yeah, that's this shade down here. I don't know what the shades are. I don't know. And this, I guess this is a blush and a contour. So this is actually a nice palette. So I actually liked it. And it's hard to impress me with a palette because obviously I have a million of them. So like I just opened the Pretty Vulgar box and I was like, to the palette. But this is a good one for me anyway. This is the good to go. Yeah, this would be good to like go travel with, because you have a bunch of highlighters, a bunch of shadows, a shimmer. Let me tell you, when you're trying to do your makeup quickly and you don't have time, just smoke out your crease and put a shimmer on top, and you're good. Okay, so anyway, and there's 2 more items, so I'm like, okay, Box is trying to redeem themselves. So this is just a mascara, which I'm like, eh. So I think, honestly, it might be better if you do the random boxes, because when I pick stuff, I'm like, my box is like not that great. So this is a mascara. I'm gonna give this to my sister. She's the mascara queen. And obviously I have a bunch of mascaras. So, and then I got, actually this I really am so excited for. So this is a setting powder. It's in the color Butter, and it's from Fenty. So look at this. I would have liked a more yellow one, but I can probably get away with the white, the Butter. So let me open this and see how, oh my god. It smells good. Does it smell like butter? Oh, it's kind of white. Oh, Yikes, that's gonna be really light. Here I am. I could get away with this color. This shit is very light. Very, very light. But it's pretty. So, I mean, I can always use a setting powder, and I'm not about to pay no $40 for a setting powder. So, getting it in my box is phenomenal. Okay, so let's put this in here. Yeah, but I love getting a setting powder in the box. If it's not that white, I'm good. You know, sometimes they send you that super white, and it's like, sister's chocolate. Like, this I could work with. This I can, you know, work with. Kind of, sort of. I wish it was that darker shade, but, you know, beggars can't be choosers. And I didn't pick anything. So yeah. So anyway. Yeah, guys. So that is the Boxycharm for January. The premium Boxycharm for January. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Till the next video. Bye.